What's going on everyone, Nathan here, and in today's video I'm going to share with you 8 side hustles you can start in late 2019. To find out all the details, all you have to do is stay with me, but first, if you're new around here, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel because I upload on a consistent basis videos about how to make money online, work from home opportunities, entrepreneurship and much more. And make sure you also hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Alright, so you're looking for a side hustle, looking for a way to make some extra money, both on and offline of course, and I thought I would share with you 8 side hustles to help you out that you can get started with in late 2019 and beyond. Make sure you watch the whole video here so you don't miss out on any important information on them. And if you're interested in making a full-time passive income online, build a sustainable online business, I do have my #1 recommendation right here below that you can have a closer look at when we have finished the video here, of course. But for now, let's have a look at the side hustles here so we can get started to make some extra money with. Let's get started. Okay, the first thing that we can do is become a tasker. Becoming a tasker, what does that mean? Well, it can actually mean a lot. A few simple things here that we can have a look at. TaskRabbit.com is we can assemble a table, a desk, mount a TV or a mirror, move boxes via truck. You can see here also the rates, clean bathroom and kitchen. So a lot of variations actually that we can apply for as a tasker. So if I scroll down a little bit here, you see mount a TV or a mirror. There are people who want to do that. And how it works is that you describe the task, you choose your tasker and you get it done. And what you do is you become a tasker here. So we go to this section and you need to fill in the details, of course. So basically how it works is that find jobs you love at the rates you choose, and of course a schedule that fits your life. So I mean, if you have a full-time job, you can only do this for a few hours a day. You of course are going to tell that. So it's totally very flexible, I would say. You can see TaskRabbit notifies you of potential jobs nearby your area. You select the one that you want to complete, you confirm the details with your client, and of course you complete the work and you submit the invoice there. Here are some popular categories for taskers, and that is a handyman, cleaning, a delivery, moving, furniture assembly, personal assistant, and of course a lot more. How you get started is you register online, you attend an info session, and then you can get started to task. Okay, here are some testimonials. There is a few you can discover here, some details if you want to have a closer look. And of course you are going to download the app there, available both on App Store and Google Play. Have a closer look at it at TaskRabbit.com. Another thing that we can do is become a dog walker. Trusted dog walkers near you, you can see here at wagwalking.com, and you need to go of course to the section to become a walker. Let's have a quick look here just at the main site. People are coming here, they need someone to walk their dog, and that is where you can come in, of course. So walking dogs with WAG gives you flexibility to be your own boss and work whenever it fits your schedule. Walk as much or as little as you want. The more you walk, the more you earn. Plus you'll be making a lot of new furry friends, of course, along the way. So the flexibility, dog love, money and give back, okay? Have a closer look at it at wagwalking.com. There is also another site with more opportunities about dog boarding. They might want you to take a dog from Los Angeles to San Francisco. I don't know, I'm just saying, okay? So a lot of opportunities here. And it is on rover.com. So if you're going this route, actually, you can have a look at rover.com and wagwalking.com, as I said here. Another opportunity is you can actually give lessons. It totally depends, of course, on your expertise here, but people want to take lessons. One example here you can see at takelessons.com, private lessons, amazing teachers, okay? And it's not only about teaching English. If that comes into your mind, I'm going to share with you that you can become a tutor, of course, with VIP Kid Teachers. You can see here you earn up to $22 per hour. But we have a lot of other opportunities here. Like if I scroll down a little bit, you can have a look at piano lessons, singing lessons, guitar lessons, violin lessons, Spanish, French, English, Korean. There are so many opportunities. It totally depends, of course, on your knowledge. If you're good at math, you can teach math lessons, algebra, reading lessons. So have a closer look at it, and of course there is more sites probably, but it's a great way to make some extra money with, both on and offline also. Another thing that you can have a look at is go to flex.amazon.com, because you can actually deliver Amazon packages, okay? You can see here that most drivers, they make anywhere from $18 up to $25 an hour. Easily track your earnings with the Amazon Flex app, so they do have an app. Flexible hours, schedule ahead or pick up any available block of the time, and you be your own boss, okay? You build your own schedules, and they do have opportunities actually 7 days a week. So it's really a nice way, and I would say a lot of opportunities here probably that is going to be available for you. Okay, let's move on to something else, and we are going to ebay.com. Here you can do a lot of things, but two of the most popular. One is actually to sell some old stuff that we have and we don't use anymore. And the second one is to buy something and resell it, okay? So you can do it on the same platform, or you can actually, let's say for example, you find something on Craigslist and you can sell it on eBay. Or you can do vice versa, okay? You can find something on eBay and sell it on Craigslist or something. There are so many opportunities and variations, but you can get started with ebay.com here. Uber is also another opportunity, and you can become a driver, of course. You can apply if you have a car, if you need a car, or if you just want to be a driver. All the details are explained in uber.com. So you can become a driver, and it could be a great way to make a side hustle with, okay, make some extra money. Another thing could be that you have a room or something that you could rent out, and Airbnb, or of course if you're going to be away, let's say for a week or something, you could actually rent out your apartment or your room or whatever. So Airbnb.com is one site that you can go and have a look at also. There is tons of other opportunities here as well with the Airbnb section, and of course other sites also, but I think Airbnb.com is probably the most popular one. Alright, let's move on to another opportunity, and that is house cleaning. House cleaning, there is something on handy.com. You can see here home cleaning. They do have some other services as well, but I think probably the most popular would be home cleaning here. And what you do is you actually download the app, which is available, of course, on App Store and Google Play. And you can have a look at the details for yourself here later on. So definitely a site to have a look at, handy.com. And while we are talking about cleaning, Amazon actually have home services as well. So that is something you could definitely have a look at to make some extra money with also. You can see here $15 off deep cleaning, $15 off carpet cleaning, grout cleaning. So you see that there is tons of opportunities here also at Amazon Home Services. okay, and they've handpicked for the best pros in your neighborhood. So this could definitely be another option and a site to sign up with to get started. I mean, so don't rely on only one site like TaskRabbit or Handy. So you can actually apply for Amazon also, so you can do a few side hustles here. Okay, there you have it, 8 side hustles that you can start in late 2019 and beyond to make some extra money with. Now, as I said in the beginning, if you're interested in making a full-time passive income online, build a sustainable online business, I do have my #1 recommendation right here below this video. If you got some value here, make sure to smash that like button below. I really appreciate it. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell also, so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. And you also find another Make Money Online video at my end screen here. That's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you soon.